it, Precious? Hi, everybody. Welcome to my channel. This is Precious. He likes to move the mirror up and down. I got it. Don't bite me. Okay, I won't touch it. He doesn't want anyone touching his mirror. Okay. I still love you. I do. Even though you gave me a nip. Yes, you did. What? Are you sorry because you nipped me? Oh, he likes to take it out of the side hole and watch it fall and land on Lucky over here. Bucky. Lucky's busy chewing his bone, and Precious is busy talking to his friend in the mirror. There's Zoe. 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 Everyone's ignoring me. There you go. Hi.
What's going on?
I know. What in the world? What in the world? I'm not touching that mirror again. No. I know. The handsome bird in there. Look at that. Mm-hmm. I know. So handsome. My goodness. My goodness, you like your friend so much, don't you? Yeah. Say hi, friend. Hi, friend. Yeah, where's your friend? What in the world? I know. You popped the one side out of the little hole. Now what are you going to do? What in the world? Hmm? Can you say love you? Can you say love you? All right, everybody. Thanks for watching.